Today I'm going to show you why this FISKARS Weed Puller is one of the best and most satisfying options to get rid of weeds out of your yard, all the way down through the root without having to use harmful chemicals. If you're like me and you have kids or a dog that love to run around in your yard, you probably don't want to put down chemicals to get rid of weeds either. I've tried a ton of different weed pulling tools at this point, and it's the FISKARS Weed Puller that's ended up being my go-to, and honestly, it's become one of my favorite tools that I use, period. It's extremely satisfying to use, and it's truly the only thing that I've found that gets the entire weed, including the root, out of the ground. This might be one of the easiest tools you'll ever use. All you have to do is line up the blades to the base of the weed, press the black foot pedal into the ground, pull the weed out, and then slide the orange handle forward to eject the weed out. It truly is that simple. Now I could go on and on about how awesome this tool is, but if a picture is worth 1,000 words, then the rest of this video should show you that this tool is a must-have to get weeds out of your lawn and garden. If you have any questions about the tool, be sure to leave a comment down below, and if you're interested in picking one of these up, I'll be sure to leave a link down in the description.